Hey there. We're going to get into the February 2025 SALESiQ updates right now. So we've just launched a bunch of updates that first impact the way in which you configure SALESiQ. We've improved this interface in a few different ways. The most notable and most important is you no longer have to deactivate your web page in order to make updates. So if I scroll up here and change the logo to right, you will see that there is a save button now. You can save, it updates, it's previewed. I did not have to deactivate it. If you do, for some reason, want to take down the site, you can simply click the slider to activate, deactivate, save, and there you go. So we've simplified the editing on this page, all of the updates as well. Now let's jump into the improvements to the actual SALESiQ process. So I'm clicking preview to preview the web page. One of the updates that we did that we got a lot of requests for, I'm just going to zoom in here, is updating this note about security. So we heard from a lot of our customers that they had prospects who were hesitant to share their information here because there was really no information about privacy or security. So we've updated the terminology and provided links to VERIFYiQ's privacy and security policy. So hopefully that will knock down some of the objections that we were hearing. And you notice now my logo is over here on the right. I'm going to change that really quick because I prefer it to be up top. So I'm going to save that, come back here, give that a quick refresh. I knew that. There it goes. All right. So that has been updated. We're really excited about that improvement. Now I'm going to run through a quick connection here. I'm going to just fast forward through this login. Okay, and we are back. So now the scan is going to happen. Nothing new here. We still have the embedded YouTube video. I highly encourage you to set one of these up if you haven't done it already. We've had a number of firms who have set it up. It's a really nice touch so the prospect can, have a little additional introduction to your firm while the review is happening. Okay, we are back. We're going to see the results, and I'm going to share a few updates here. The first update that I'm really excited about is this top corner here. You will see the name and the email address for the person who authenticated the file to SALESiQ. So now you're getting their contact information after they have submitted it. So you can see that information. So really excited about that update. The second is we've changed this exit button. This used to say exit, now says disconnect to really reflect the fact that the prospect, by clicking this disconnect button, will actually disconnect their file from VERIFYiQ and it will exit them from the web page. So that's another improvement that we've made. As well as we've heard reports that sometimes it takes a while to download the PDF report. We have made a change so that process has been sped up. So you can download the report nice and quick, hit disconnect to jump out of here, and I will show you the last thing from your perspective of where you can also see the contact information. And I'm going to go to potential client, go all the way to the end, and you will see the login information here in addition to all of the details within SALESiQ. You can also download that pretty PDF report if you want. So that's it. Those are your February 2025 updates for SALESiQ. Hope you enjoy.